All right, in this equation, or in this video, we're going to look at how to plot parametrically. So since this is for 1 a day 5 um, in Math 230, so in that equation, we're going to be plotting a surface, and so the GeoGebra command for that is surface. And if you type in the word surface and hit the right arrow, the one that you'll want to use is the third one here. That's just helpful. But before we do that, um, what I like to do is set some variable t, sort of counter, and then convert this into radians from going from 0 to 2 pi in steps of like 0.1. And that helps to kind of help unfold and see how it's evolving in time. Okay. All right. So let's go back to our writing the surface. And I'm going to choose the third one here. And so we're just going to enter in our expression here. So 1 over 18. We have u times sine of v times cosine of u. And this is going to be the y component. So this is 1 over 18. And then here we have times u times sine of v times sine of u. And then finally we have 1 over 18 for the z component times u times cosine v plus u over 6. Okay, and so the first parameter here is u. And so I'm going to let u go from, let's say, like 0 to, I'm going to say like 4t, just to get a big enough area. Okay, and then I'm going to have my parameter v, the angle, go from 0 to t. Okay, and so now as I move t along, you can see the function starting to grow there. And if you want to see a little bit more of it, let's just come back in here and make this maybe like instead of 4t, make it say 10t. Okay. So that gives you a little bit of variety on how it's unfolding. And then likewise, you can zoom in. You hold the shift key down. You can kind of like zoom in and out or up and down and kind of get a good sense of what the geometry of this thing is doing. And that's also why I like to have the spinner here, so you can kind of see how it evolves in time as you move through it. So you can kind of see it spinning up, and then as the number of iterations gets bigger and bigger, you get more and more of the volume that the surface surrounds. Okay. All right, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.